Hi, my name is Cameron Akrami. I'm the president of the American Board of Home Care. As a caregiver, and what important work it is that you're doing, your integrity and your commitment is so vital to the safety and security of the seniors that you serve. Now, if you're watching this video, it means that you're working for an agency who's certified by the American Board of Home Care, or ABHC. And what that means for you is that your agency is protecting you by covering all of your workers' compensation insurance. They're making sure that all of your payroll taxes are being matched when appropriate, like Social Security. They're making sure that they are in line with all of the state requirements and licensure to even operate as a home care agency in California. What they're also doing is they're making sure that you are doing and receiving all of the training that is required by the state and making available to you additional training, which is so incredible. We're so grateful to have partnered with Caregiverlist. You're going through this training is a testament to your commitment to being a better caregiver. And by going through this training and watching the videos and engaging with the material, you're going to end up better equipped, better trained, and better informed than your counterparts out in the industry. So well done. On behalf of the home care industry, I appreciate your interest in connecting with people and seeking to make their lives better with every single visit. Thank you so much for the very important work that you do.